cook the right rice and peas, you have to have the right ingredient, which is the coconut itself. Right? Some people don't know about the coconut, they know about the coconut powder. Right? But to get the right rice and peas, you have to go the original way and deal with the coconut itself. Regular coconut, it does taste sweet.
Yes,
was younger, a lot of coconut I used to deal with. Right, so the coconut shell, right, you can use it to do a lot of craft work. Right, so these are very useful and you can use them for your garden and stuff like that. I want to get the coconut milk, right, so I'm going to do some gratoring. Now this is a long process, right, so many of the stush people nowadays, the 21st century people, can't bother with this long process, but if you want the real, genuine, original rice and peas, this is the way to do it. Now it's 3.5 hours later, right? Going to check these, see if it is ready. Right. One problem I run into, right? Peas that I bought is two different kind of red peas, so one tend to cook faster than one. Right, so if you don't know how to cook rice and peas without using a pressure cooker, right, you may check one of the peas, and when you check one of the peas, it tends to cook, right, and then now when you check another one, it is not cooked, right, so that one is ready, this one is not so ready. Oh, this is the technical part of cooking rice and peas, right? When you add your coconut water, right, let everything boil until you have one color, which is the red color. If you want the rice and peas to come out red after you add your coconut milk, let everything boil, right, until the water become red. If you add your rice now, it will come out looking white. So don't add your rice immediately after you add the coconut water. Wait for 15 minutes, let everything boil, and take the color of the peas, get that red color. Now this is the best part about cooking rice and peas, right? When you let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, your neighbors will smell your pot from a mile away. Alright, wondering what kind of cooking is that, want to come and peep your pot off of the fire. Right, so we're gonna let this boil, everything come into one. Right. Smelling real nice. Right, now that is the flavor we are talking about. Now that the coconut milk and the peas is combined in one and have that red color, now is the time you add your white rice. Right, so ensure that the rice and the peas is approximately 1 inch below the coconut milk. Right, too much water will result in the rice being soft, so ensure that the rice is a little bit below the water, about 1/2 inch or 1 inch. Right, leave that on medium flame to let it dry out, and afterward you reduce it to low flame. At this point in time, right, you want to have your fire on low flame, right, very low. Right, just gonna add a little bit more water at the top. Right, not too much. So we get a clean, clear, thick plastic bag, right, put on the top. Right, so don't worry, plastic bag won't melt. Right, this is to trap the heat in order to steam the rice, get a better steam. Right, so this is the whole original country style rice and peas. Right. Persons who know how to cook rice and peas will know what this is all about. Plastic bag is to trap the steam, right, so that the rice steam properly. Right, real original rice and peas. Who know how to cook rice and peas will know what this is all about. Well, there you have it. Right, not from me. Leave a comment, let me know what you think.